Guys, I'm Farouk Wasim in front of you. And yesterday I heard the speech of Prime Minister Imran Khan. He has delivered in UN General Assembly in New York. What an incredible moments for me as well, for every person here in Pakistan and all over the world. Because Mr. Imran Khan raised four fundamental and major issues that are so much reasonable, because he has talked about the climate change. That's true. Every country facing climate issues, this has to be solved and sought out. And the other thing is, he tried to define and he tried to understand the whole nation, the whole world, and every community, like Western Union and US community, about Islamic phobia. What about the basic reason about that, about behind? Because everyone was connected Islamic with terrorism. This is not true. Islam is just a peaceful religion. And this thing, Mr. Imran Khan tried to define it there. And he talked about Prophet, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, was a great person, ideal person of every Muslim, of every person in the world. And he tried to define and raise that point about Kashmir issue. He tried to define that Kashmir is a lockdown. They are as human beings, as like us. So we should take care of them. And they are actually on right. They are trying to get freedom, and on the other side, we talk about freedom of expression, freedom for every person, peace and prosperity. Then why we are not talking about Kashmiri's people? Because they are also wanting prosperity, freedom, as their own priority. So they should get that right from Indian military occupied, because as a human being, the military is not doing well at there. They have locked down. There's no sense of humor, I think, because they are human beings, not animals. So on the other side, Pakistan is a stakeholder of Kashmir. That is a disputed territory. This thing, Prime Minister Imran Khan tried to define that there, tried to address that there, and put in front of every delegations that Kashmir is a territory and disputed territory, and Indian military occupied at there. So I really congratulate to Mr. Imran Khan and appreciate him. And today I've seen that very warm welcome from Pakistani persons, Pakistani peoples at airport when he have arrived at airport Islamabad. Wow, such an outclass, very warm welcome. I really appreciate to Imran Khan. He's done a great job, and internationally every person agreed this, because he has raised major points, reasonable points, and no one can deny to this, because they are totally correct. They are totally perfect. Thank you so much.